Hey, what's going on, guys? GoMegaGains here. In this video I'd like to introduce a new version of a JavaScript chess engine I'm currently working on named Wukong. Now it's about 200 elo points stronger compared to the previous version, but not yet strong enough to send it to get an official rating at CCRL. I really want to work on transposition table a little bit. Well, actually I want to implement that. It doesn't yet have the transposition table. Also, I need to make sure that all the search optimization techniques being involved working properly, and I'm not sure, but probably it's producing some memory leaks. At the very least, when I'm running it in UCI mode, playing versus other engines, it just showing the growing of the memory being used, which is a little bit strange. I'm not really that aware of memory leaks in JavaScript, so really need to check that out on my own. But anyway, it's playable, so you can test it either in the browser interface or what you said like before, playing versus other engines. The background image might be toggled on and off, so it's useful if you want to play in with the console being opened here. So if you just want to see the real time on how engine is calculating, so this is probably a very nice and good idea, because with this image it's not really looks really that great, and without the console it's quite pretty nice to have this nice little tricky background image basically. So this Chinese classics was already out there, but I've added a little Sonokun here, the character given the name to this chess engine, a Komaki Kin, like I call him. Okay, so regarding the API, so let's have a look at the source code. I didn't really change much within the API. I just removed set piece and evaluate functions because they rely on piece lists, and I didn't yet have time to make sure that works properly. So I think that from now on I would be providing an updated documentation for the examples of API usage examples along with the release basically. So you would be able to see the available snippets. Just to copy paste them to the browser console, or it's also possible to import it to Node.js if you're not dealing with a graphical function like print board, like draw board or update board, obviously. So also might be used as a library on the backend. Still quite pretty raw, and this API really needs lots of work, but at very least we already have something here. So I guess this is it from my side, guys. A little bit more improvements regarding strength are about to come, hopefully quite pretty soon. Again, like I really want to try to add the transposition table. The problem with that is that the first problem is that I have only 32-bit numbers, because 64-bit number, so-called big integers in the JavaScript, are not yet the wide standards. I don't really want to involve those to make sure that it will be working in as many browsers as possible. Also, I can make those numbers unsigned, which makes indexing the transposition table a little bit harder, but I think I would manage to handle that. Also, I've added my email down below here, so you can contact me on any questions regarding Wukong JS engine. And basically this is it from my side, so happy testing. I wish you well, probably it's too late to wish Merry Christmas. Well, in my country Christmas is only about to come, but at the very least I can wish the Happy New Year to all of you guys. So see you in the next videos. Until that time, and take care.